Okay, guys, so in this picture, what we see here is the same pattern that I always explain to you. That is what we see here, right? Um, we're going to look at the first bullet where it says consolidation. Is it less than 50 pips? What do they mean? They mean that the consolidation, this consolidation, the agent session consolidation, has to be less than 50 pips. You understand? It has to be less than 50 pips. Once it goes more, it becomes more. That means now the consolidation has been messed up. You understand? It means now the consolidation is not a consolidation anymore. It's something else. You understand? So consolidation has to be 50 pips or less for it to be a consolidation, agent session consolidation. And then we're going to go to bullet number 2 right here. This one we're done with. We are on bullet number 2. Stop hand must be between 25 to 50 pips. The stop hand is what the fake manipulation move, of which is the fake move that breaks the agent session high or low. So in this case, they gave us a break to the low. So this move here has to be between 25 pips to 50 pips. You understand? It has to be around that range. This move, this manipulation phase move. Is it clear? And then we are done with bullet number 2. On to bullet number 3. So bullet number 3, long sustained run, 6 to 8 hours of trend move. What do they mean? After you've got your W formation, ne, you're going to enter as the written entry there. This is your entry on the second leg. This now becomes your long run, long sustained run, of which is the real market maker trend or distribution trend. Understand? When they say 6 to 8 hours, they say this move usually lasts 6 to 8 hours. You understand? For it to be full. So they say it's normally 6 to 8 hours. Sometimes it becomes less. Sometimes news just come and then hit your TP. You understand? And then we are done with bullet number 3. On to bullet number 4. Continuation move. Okay, continuation move. A continuation move is a move in between. Remember, market has to always it has to come and retest a bit and then go forward. Understand? Continue the trend. So the retracement, that is the continuation move. You understand? There's going to be a retracement somewhere. That is why I'm saying your TP most of the time it has to be your agent session high or low. That is why I'm saying your TP has to be around here, because from here to there, after they hit the agent session high, that will be like let's say 30 pips, and then they'll usually reverse and then give you a continuation move to the upside so that they can complete the distribution trend. I hope it's clear. So for me, saying that the TP has to be at the agent session high or low, it's because we don't want to waste this move from here until there. We want to take that money that has been made here. Unlike it has to come in reverse again to give you the continuation move and then go up again. So yeah, we just trying our best that the market does not play with our emotions. So we are done with bullet number 4. On to bullet number 5. So after the distribution trend, I said most of the time after 50 pips, they like reversing. So they will give you a reversal like that information, and then come back and then close the day in consolidation. And this becomes your reversal move. Understood, guys? Okay. And then what do they say now? They say correction, a retest will often shift back to 200 EMA if the 13 never breaks below the 50. Then we know that it's a correction and not a reversal. Understand? If the 13 does not break the what? If the 13 does not break the 50, if the 13 moving average, of which is the red moving average, does not break the 50, then that means we know it's a what? It's a correction, not a reversal. You understand? So they mean if this red moving average here does not cross the 50 of which is the blue one here. So that means it's just a correction going to the upside and not a reversal going downside and closing for the day. Or maybe they'll come deeper like this. You understand? Is it clear? But then I'm just trying to show you that it's just a pattern, but then there's some confirmation yana going on here. There's some confirmation yana going on there. Let me check my chats. It's okay, clear. Okay. So I hope everyone understands. So can we I'm open for questions now. If you don't understand, please ask. Please ask questions. Sure.
I don't check this again.
So now what's like in terms of the moving average,
Guys, please mute your mics, guys.
Sure.
Yeah. So yeah, what's in terms of like the moving average, So so Bella, like the moving average looks on they also like play a part in this like this method.
Yeah. Moving average plays a big role as well in the method. Understand?
Okay.
We are trading the moving average the correct way, not the other traders. We understand, because other traders, when they see a break of that moving average, they just take a trade. But then Rona, we have our way of confirming and seeing that this moving average says this and this one says this. Yeah. Next question, guys. Hello.
Are you able to check Bitcoin?
Okay, let's go check Bitcoin.
Can you, while you're still on the slide, can you kindly repeat there by correction this time?
Guys, switch off your mics. Hey, but one more thing, weekend.
Can you keep off that person, man?
Bana moto tavenina. Yeah, I don't know who was talking now.
Now, I said, while we are on this slide, can you kindly repeat the correction part where it starts with correction? Will often shift back. I don't get that part clearly.
Okay, this part is the problem is that it's now going advanced, and I had to explain things before this thing. But then let me try to maybe explain it. Ne? Correction reset ne? will often shift back to 200 EMA. So the problem is that the 200 EMA is not visible here because it's white. So the page as well is white. You understand? So it's not visible here. I can't talk about it. But then it's some sort of reset. It's some sort of reset. But then I have to explain some things before I even go to reset because I'm going to confuse you. You understand? But then I can explain when they say if the 13 never breaks below the 50, then we know it's a correction and not a reversal. That one I can explain it because the moving average are visible, you understand? So the 13 moving average is what is the red moving average, this one, the red one. Let me just even do this.
My brother. Sorry to cut you, my brother.
Yeah.
You know what? We people, we like new things, eh? Without mastering the initial thing. I think people, they should stop this thing of trying to know other things while they still learning the initial one. We're still learning the model here, né? The only thing people, they should see that thing happening. If they take profit, the retracement, they should leave that one aside. They should master only the accumulation phase, the manipulation, and the distribution, and see if that thing happens. Then the more they practice, and then they see that, then therefore we develop the skill going forward from there. Because
Yeah,
now,
but then it's still fine. It's still fine, my brother. And just for the sake of explaining, the next time I come back and explain again, maybe she'll understand more better. Understand? I'll just explain, even though she won't get it now. You understand? But then it's something. It's still new knowledge. It's okay. You understand? Because she asked about it, so I'm trying to make her understand. She will see if this thing it's not for me now, or I need to focus on it now. But then I'm also saying it's something that it's something that I cannot explain by not explaining some other things that are left behind. I did say that. Do you understand?
Thank you. Because I was asking because it's brought on my eyes. So
Yeah.
we must discuss about
so
it.
I'm also trying to explain that.
Yeah, bon.
Understand? So yeah, it says if the 13 never breaks below the 50, né, then we know it's a correction and not a reversal. So this is a 13 moving average, the red one. Né? They say if it never breaks the 50 moving average, of which is the blue one, the blue moving average here. Understand? If it never broke the 50, if it never broke the 50 and goes like this, bounce and then goes up, then it was not a reversal. It was a correction. A correction was just a continuation move going the same direction. Understand? But then now it broke what? It broke the 50. It confirms that it was a reversal. Understand? So I hope that that means something as well.
Yeah, it is very clear.
Yeah. Okay, let's go on. And then who talked about what is this? BTC. Guys, who talked about BTC? Or anyone if you have a question.
It was
so interested.
It was me because it shows the same model as you explaining. So I just wanted to show us on the live chat here.
Okay.
That's gold.
Eish, it's like ngola gold ka hlong ya ke tla be ka hlanya mosmo.
Frost up gold, bre.
Ai. So now, BTC, another thing you have to understand, pairs like BTC, Nest 100, Gold, those pairs, you definitely know that those pairs, most of the time, they are always going up. You understand? They are always going up. So I do not like trading against that trend. You understand? I would rather wait for them to go down if they're going down and wait for the reversal when they're trying to go up. Because when they go up, they go. But then when they have to go the opposite direction, it will give you a problem. That's why you blow accounts. You understand? So that is another thing, disadvantage about these pairs. Okay, my brother, you were saying on BTC, we should look at BTC. Here's what I saw. Yeah, here's what we saw on BTC today. Right. So can you see if you traded BTC, Fanda, you should have made money. You should have made a lot of money. Understand? You should have made money. Right here. Manipulation phase, and then it's like a head and shoulder, but in a very ugly head and shoulder. You understand? And then you get your entry on the right shoulder, and a stop loss above the structure. Your TP was supposed to be here, your first TP, and then it was smashed, as you can see, with one candle. Does it make sense, guys?
Cool.
It's going up now.
So now it's going up. I get it. The BTC is going up. Bitcoin is always going up. Understand? Yeah. So why is it going up? It's because of the same thing. So you just have to play around with this thing. Just have to play around. You just have to say, okay, let's say the total trend is going up. So if the total trend is going up, that means maybe you traded against the trend. So you got the manipulation phase, on the upside information, and then the cross above, you're supposed to take your profits. Ne? So now the trend is going up. When the trend is going up, you have to get what? The manipulation fees from where? On the bottom again. So now maybe this will become your W formation. You understand? Because the trend is going up, it becomes what? Your manipulation phase to the downside, first leg, second leg, and then distribution trend.
Sorry, brother. Ne?
Yes, sir.
If the way I marked it, ne? If you mark from 12 to 8 a.m., they're correct.
Yeah.
The 8 a.m. The formation, it happened during the Asian session. So if you mark the 8 a.m., you see that formation, it happened on the Asian session. So they really move. It's after the manipulation downwards. Yes.
I understand.
So that's
Yeah.
So so that the manipulation W, and then therefore that's where you take your trade there going up. Yes, the TP to the
Yeah.
Asian session
Yeah, I
high.
understand
Yes.
you. But then I'm just showing you that you can also trade what you see, you understand? The pattern is there. I said it before that you can trade both ways. You understand?
Yeah.
I just didn't want to encourage those who were in a trade, maybe here. They saw this. I didn't want to discourage those who saw a trade there because they were still correct.
Yeah.
But then they saw it where, yes, in the Asian session. You understand? They are still correct. I didn't want to discourage those people who saw that. But because it's correct. Just that it's advanced. But then I said it, once you see it, you cannot unsee it. You understand? It's there.
I just wanted to lay the platform that just to keep things consistent, that you wait for the Asian session to complete, and then once you advance, then therefore you can see and spot all those kind of things. But the initial one is just on the Asian manipulation and then distribution from.
Yeah, I know. I got you, my brother. I get you very well. Get you very well. Next, guys. Next. Ita. How's it?
What's our level bargain? Euro USD.
Euro USD. Yeah.
I get it. Maybe couple of 1 hour and then read from last week Monday coming into this week.
Okay. Last week Monday.
Yeah, maybe maybe we're gonna come from
Edikai.
Amaya.
30. 30.
Yeah.
30.
Yeah. Yeah, I did 30, yeah. From the 30 going on to until the 3.
Okay. 30. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Noruki kwetseng ku frostanisa yon. Should make you understand.
Yeah, no better like I don't know it top down analysis straight. I'm cool like using the method and everything.
Okay, in this case, case, let's say maybe it's Monday. Okay, let's do this. Monday. Okay, Monday, yeah, Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah.
Thursday. Yeah.
Sure.
So now let's say you do not see this. You do not see all of this here. I don't know how I can hide this. Yeah, Eric is a plan. But we hide and like ribo.
Kapula karo na option mo ya nagaro o kono o mo working replay working o ya marisha.
So yeah, okay. Let's say into ibonangi ke Monday ubona this thing ne.
Sure.
Already this move has happened. So now we are waiting for Tuesday. We are waiting for Tuesday. So looking back in a few, we have to look what happened in a few days or maybe the last week. You understand? Yeah. So looking back, the market trend it's just that if I move this it's gonna mess up, but then it's okay. Because I'm gonna explain. I wanna during this period of time, let me change my color again. Yeah. I wanna during this trend here. There are 3 levels complete. You understand? Yeah. But then that is my reset. Straight and forward. That is my reset. Like on a bigger time frame. Ne? So when it's my reset, I knew that USD was gonna go down. So I was expecting an information to form. You understand?
Oh yeah.
I was expecting a bigger information to form because in my bigger time frame, the way I analyze that thing, it's a reset. Understand? It's a reset of which it's a bigger information.
Oh yeah.
Understand? So I always knew, okay, USD, it's somehow it has to reverse. It has to give me information. So comes Monday, Monday chemo, I have this whole move. So now I have clarity that, okay, this thing has given me a big information. Understand?
Sure.
And now there is a small one happy here on this end. And also this side is a small one. That is an extra confirmation, or this thing is going down. Understand? So now understanding that you have this is like a peak formation for the whole week. You have a peak formation for the whole week. Why happy? Why I say so? Because this first leg happened on Friday, and then the second one happened on Monday. Understand? So now it's a peak formation for the whole week, because I told you already, when you have a peak formation for the whole week, you have to have the first leg on another day, the second leg on another day. It gives you a peak formation for the whole week, your reversal pattern for the whole week. So now understanding that you have this drop, that is your first drop that you see again. What are you expecting? You're expecting 2 more levels of drop again. Let's say this is consolidation. We have our lines here. You are in your brain, really, you are expecting 2 more levels of drop, because you have the first one. Understand? Consolidation, stop and high information, drop. Understand?
Sure.
That's Tuesday. Thursday, what are you expecting? Maybe consolidation, stop and high, drop. You understand? So now you have 3 levels of drop. What are you expecting? 3 levels of drop. You are expecting market to reverse again. You understand? So even if it's not exactly, but then in your mind you must at least have something that an idea or so. Understand? Just memorize whatever just drew here. Level 2, level 3, and then and then tell me that isn't that the same thing that I drew?
Nah, go on.
Right, one.
Sure. So okay, fine. I get on on a downtrend again.
Yeah.
So no method all change. Now it's facing up now. So no related the W,
Yeah.
So sharp. I get on after like the third level, it's into consolidation. And then come like on Mondays we don't trade. We wait for the market to do its thing.
Yeah.
And then we'll start seeing like a proper trend from Tuesday.
Yeah.
So if you were to like anticipate or from more market which is on a Friday. Okay, I know like we have to wait for Monday, but then like according to you, what do you think might just happen here?
Okay, let me just do it. Yeah. Even though I don't know what happened, that's what I think. So Monday can be a little bit messy. If it doesn't be messy, it might still push up. Understand? It might still push up. And then because I'm still saying it has to go down. That is why I'm saying it has to push up and then close on Monday. And then maybe let's say this is Monday. And then maybe Tuesday will give us something like this. And then it will confirm our peak formation for the whole week. And then maybe recapitulate our 3 days of during this coming week. That is something that I think is gonna happen this coming week.
Okay.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, no, it's all right.
Okay.
So okay, since we're like this method like kabunju is panisaka the moving average answer. Like body supported resistant how is panisa faniwa the hotis.
I don't use them. The only thing I use most of the time is just a retest on the neckline, because they like to do it. Maybe if you have a peak formation like this, they like to retest the neckline. That is the only thing I usually use.
Okay, so Monday after like that huge movie, if it's Wirahal. Yeah, bia kesa how ya mo tlasenya. Yeah, hona da. If waka bia like a rectangle growing across into Thursday.
A rectangle or line, or maybe so.
Yeah, something like that. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Don't you think or like hona da? I get honore irrespective of that zone, or like that became a support, and
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, top mo Tuesday ya namela like fetsa ya boa happy, and then going into Thursday, yeah, I respect that you're not that then became a resistant,
Yeah.
and then broke down.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. So don't you think or the isn't there like a high possibility or like between maybe on my Monday or Tuesday, it might just come back to that area just to test again before going down.
Yeah. Possible. Very possible. Very possible.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, not again. Not to be honest, like sponsors already support and resistant. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Then look, they're spanner. They do work, but then you're going to understand more. You're going to understand it more when you know this pattern thing. The thing on sign.
Oh
Understand?
yeah.
Yeah, that you're gonna understand why do they do the support and resistance. It's going to be clear. That is saying this pattern makes everything to be clear. Understand?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Sure.
sure.
Na na ku like na ke monate ke se itseng ka batho ba bangwe gore is there something that they want to add on upon what I've just said or what?
Yeah. Anyway, guys, we have 3 minutes left. We have 3 minutes left. So
My brother,
sure.
that now that you mentioned that break and retest on the neckline, I think that's the other model that normally print out. Let's say someone missed to buy on the second leg, you can also weight it on the
I can't hear
neckline.
you, my brother. Can hear you? Can you repeat
Can you
again?
hear me?
Okay,
Can you hear me now?
yeah.
Now, I was saying, since you mentioned that, and that's what I've also observed, if someone missed the entry on the second leg of a W or M formation, he
Yeah.
can also wait on the neckline. Probably it might come back to retest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can do that.
For example, on the what you call on the BTC Bitcoin, you can see that retest happened there.
Yeah, that is why I'm saying I like that one because they like retesting the neckline. You see
Yeah.
that one, they love it. They'll always retest the neckline.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In case someone couldn't find the M, then can wait for that retest and see if it's gonna play that, other than hiking the move.
yeah. Anyway, guys, the pattern. We have 2 minutes left.
Katleho,
Sure.
ka tla botsa ka those two lines, red line and blue line. Where do you get it? And the name of the input again?
The 30 moving average and the 50.
Yeah. Yeah.
I sent a template in the group. I'll resend it again. The template you install it on your MT4 on your PC.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it will give you everything, the agent session box and whatnot. I'm not showing you that platform yet, that template yet, because I want you to understand the naked chart first. How is it formed first? Yeah, and then
Okay.
when I start applying it, everything is going to be clear. It's going to click just like that.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Thanks.
Sure.
That template is also working on MT5.
No, MT4. If you put
Straight
it on
MT4.
MT5, it's going to give you a problem. There is a
Okay.
MT5 version, but then I don't like it.
Okay.
If you are trading on MT5,
No problem.
yeah, you rather put it on MT4 and then
Yes.
trade on an
Okay.
MT5. Sharp.
Sure.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Hola.
Ke batla ho botsa manna ne.
Yeah.
The moving average tse ra di kry mo MT4.
Yeah.
Ka fela tsona MT5.
Yeah, you do. You set it yourself, like your rapid setting. If you don't have the template, but then put the template in your PC on your PC, or if you're using your phone, just set them up, body set, and then yeah, that's it. I'll send you something on the group.
Oh, right. All right.
Sure.